Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. Be sure to like and subscribe. Today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Customer complaint is that sometimes the ABS light will come on as well as the check engine light. And of course it's here now and neither of them are on. But they claim that the ABS light and the check engine light are on for the majority of the time. So let's scan it and see if we can pull up any codes. Okay, so it does have a ABS code. C2116, pump motor voltage low. There is no check engine light on right now, but we have scanned it before and it did have a code stored in the transmission, just a generic fault saying that there was a problem with the ABS system. So I did some testing already, make sure all the fuses are good and the connector and the wires going to the ABS module, everything seems to be fine. So my best educated guess is that there's a internal fault with the ABS pump, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. So here's the ABS module assembly that we're going to replace. The customer supplied their own part. They didn't want to get a new one, they got a used one with 24,000 miles on it, so hopefully this one's okay. Matching part numbers, which is important. You can't just put any Mitsubishi ABS module in here, or else it's not gonna like it. So we're gonna take this one out and put in the other one. Okay, we're gonna take off these brake lines. Okay, now we have two 12 millimeters underneath here and one 12 millimeter nut right here we're going to take off. Okay, here's the old one with the bracket on it. The new used one that they got doesn't have the bracket, so we're going to take off these cut lines, put the bracket on, and get it all ready to go. After we put it on, we have to do a G sensor calibration and a steering angle sensor calibration. Now there's about 4 calibrations we got to do. There's a special function, you can do all of them simultaneously, so got to make sure we do that once we install this other ABS module so it doesn't set any other errors. Make sure the lines go back in nice and easy. Do it by hand so you don't cross thread it, because then you're going to run into a whole lot of trouble. Okay, brake lines are all tight. We just got to bleed the brakes really good, get all the air out. Make sure you check what type of brake fluid your vehicle takes. This one takes .4, so do not put .3 fluid in here. And then we'll hook up the scanner and go from there. Okay, we got the brakes all bled. So let's do the adaptations we're supposed to do. There's no codes. Special function, sensor calibration. Okay, you can do G sensor calibration, lateral G sensor calibration, MC pressure calibration, SAS calibration. So we're going to do all sensor calibration. Okay, make sure the steering wheel is straight. Please check execution conditions. I believe it was all loads off, ignition on the on position, e-brake on, and in park or neutral. So let's try this. Okay, the command was executed. Okay, still no codes. Start ignition off. Ignition back on. Let's start it. Okay, so no ABS codes as of now, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this thing does. I tried clearing the codes on the old ABS module before putting on this other one, and there was a hard code that would come back on immediately showing the same fault that it had, which I showed you. And this one so far seems to be okay, so I think that took care of it. Still no codes. Okay, we're going to check the codes one more time on the ABS module, and it says no fault codes detected, so we are good. Alright you guys, thank you for watching Fix It Phillip. Replacing this ABS module on this 2013 Outlander Sport. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, with Fix It Phillip, you can fix it. I'll see you next time.